what makes an object pop. Is it that touch of light, or is that spark of light, or that touch of darkness? Because sometimes you might implement light first on a surface. And, you know, the angle of the light that's reflected on the object determines the length, because the length of the shadow increases and decreases as the sun changes its direction in the sky. Now, all this physics is imperative to understand directly where to cast a shadow below an object when the sun is reflecting on it. So, this is why I find art intriguing, because art has expanded my mind exponentially. Right, in many different ways, all different ways. You know, or you have supernatural ways as well. You know, you draw stuff and you see it manifests in reality in real time. That's some supernatural stuff. No one talks about that stuff. Or you create an object and then you just a touch of light and it comes to life, or a touch of darkness and it just takes form.